Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the icon called alarm and tap on it. And right here we have the alarm menu, and we can set up alarm clocks right here. As you can see, for now we have no alarms, but you can tap on this big plus button to add a new one. Let's tap on it. And once you tap on the plus button, you should see this screen. And here you can set the time on which the alarm should go off. And you can swipe up and down on hours, then minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark. And once you set the time, you will enter the edit screen. And here we can turn off or on the alarm. We can tap on time to change it. We can tap on repeat to select on which days the alarm should go off, and we have only once, every day, and custom. If you select only once, it's gonna go off only once, the next day, or maybe next time it's set to. If you select every day, it's gonna go off every day, come on, like this. And if you select custom, it will bring you to this page, and here you can select specific days on which it should go off. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen, like this. And once you're done, swipe right to go back, and below the repeat we have smart alarm, and we can enable this option by tapping on it and tapping on the switch right here. What this option does is basically it calculates the optimal wake time for you automatically, and it tries to wake you up within 30 minutes of your alarm basically. Okay, and once you're done editing the alarm, you can tap on the check mark to save the settings. And here we have it. And we can enable or disable it right here on this page. We can also add more alarms, like this. And if you want to remove the alarm from the list, simply swipe left on it and tap on the Ben icon, like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.